your fingers and toes. Let's do a tradition here. We got to go with tradition, and God help me.
Why are you in a hood?
I know, because I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm still in styro mode. I'm not supposed to be in a hood for another. Titanfall doesn't happen until, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 3 hours.
So you're saying double?
I may go double.
Double feature?
Yeah, I may say double
feature.
Titanfall doesn't happen for 3 hours.
I'm down with double feature.
Are you down for that, Boone?
I'm. You know what? I don't have work tomorrow.
Well, there you go.
Sounds like a double
now
feature
we're getting
night
rated. Oh, God. Sweet mother of God, we've got another raid. Defend the channel, friends. We're going to have a big night tonight. Welcome, Ratchet. Welcome, Ratchet Raid. Great to have you. Give me a second. 1 second. 1 second. Just 1 second. We need TIE fighters out if you're ready. Battle stations. Raid call.
There's too many of them.
Distance to power generators?
17.28.
Target, maximum firepower.
Do you know what's going on? Maybe it's another drill. All right, men, load your weapons. It's them. Blast them. There's one. Set for stun. Stop that ship. Blast them. Open the blast doors. Open the blast doors.
The rebels have been defeated.
There we have it. Willow, I like that combination. The pew-pew TIE Fighter action. I'd love that combination. There we have it, friends. Welcome, Raiders. Thank you so much. Your raid has been repelled, but we are glad to have you here. I believe this is your first time raiding me as well. Boombody, do you have any information about our raiders tonight?
I'm trying to discern, sir, but they are not coming up in my tactical overview.
Great to have you here. Thank you for checking out the stream. Yeah. I feel like we might have to go sisters. If we get raided again, we're going full sisters again.
I mean, the triple raid.
It's insane. Shit. Thank you, Butch. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you for the raid. Welcome. All right, I got to get my notes ready. We're gonna have a big night tonight. Big night. So subs, raids, notes, and promotions. Drop the hammer.
Put your faith in the light.
Mama, that could be worthy of Sisters Boombody. We've got our first sub of the night. I'm trying not to pull the trigger on it too much. Thank you so much, not only for the raid. How do I pronounce that?
Put your faith in
Double
the light.
sub?
I'm not sure how you pronounce FYP, but that is...
double sub skadoosh. Oh, welcome. You've got your emotes. You've got your TIE fighters. You've got the emotes. You've got unlimited power. And you've gone and done it. You've summoned the Sisters of Mercy. Yes. Fit me. Fit. Thank you, Fit me. Thank you, Butch. Thank you both so much. I'm very grateful. All right, here we go. We're gonna get stupid. Give me a second to get jiggy with it. Shut her down.
Put your faith in the light.
Third sub of the day, yeah. Sweet Jesus. Flafatron. I'll just call you Tron, buddy, because it's a little hard for me to pronounce. Thank you guys so much. No, I'm here. I'm getting ready, Vampy. Getting ready here. To pull a little Sisters of Mercy. All right, here we go. Boom. Do I have permission? I need permission for this.
Indeed, so. Sisters of Mercy is a go.
It's a go.
It's a go.
Put your faith in the light.
Okay. Hold on. I'm Ghostly. What happened? Wait, one more sub? I'm not ready for that. Hold on.
Put your faith in the light.
Whoa, what is happening? Oh, subtrain! Holy crap. ButturedToast. Who else? And Lone Scholar? Wow.
Put your faith in the light.
There's another sub tonight. Thank you so much. Back to it. Oh, welcome. Let's do the trailer. Okay.
Not yet.
Stand by.
Put your
Oh,
faith
come
in
on.
the light.
Wow, I've lost track actually. Your sub hit me right when I'm playing the intro. Sorry. Welcome, Zotbot. Welcome, Piggy. Thank you. Got your emails. Yeah. Fit me. This raid is insane. Insane. We're going to reward the entire channel with points right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subs.
10 points, I think. Yes.
7.
7 subs.
I think it might be time for Kenny Loggins. I don't know. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. Loud intro. Hold on. No Skyrim yet. No. God, no. Kidding me? I'm trying to get focused here, friends, but you're not letting it happen. Sweet Jesus. Look, gameplay delay. This is on you. Felden, if you could, reward the entire channel 30 points, please. 30 rank points for the entire channel. Do we have a green light, Boom? Do we have a green light?
Allocating the points. Yes, we do. Yes, we have.
Put your faith in the light.
Fantastic. Welcome. You did good. All right. Get out of here, Ratchet. Based. Oh, back to battle stations, friends. Back to battle stations. Give me a second. For the love of God, this is insane, Boom. This is crazy. Let's get the TIE fighters out one final time. Here we go. Oh, it has been a stressful week. These subs and this raid love means so much to me. Thank you guys so much for being here. Wow. Wolf and Laffy
Put your faith
and
in
oh
the light.
my God. Ah, shoot. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I don't know. Time to get naked. Maybe. Could be time to get naked.
Oh my.
Fizz Fisher. Fizz Fisher. Oh, God. All right, this goes for you, Fizz. Fizz Fisher. This raid is insane. Fit me, you have blown my pants off tonight. You and your raiders. Fizz, welcome. You and Goliathon and Zotbot and Biggie and the Scholar and Vaporblade and ButturedToast and Flafatron. No one panic, I'm alive. I'm alive. I just passed out for a minute from all the hype. Oh, wow, that was insane. I'm alive. I'm alive. Thank you, everybody, for your subs. It's real. The love is real. You've got your emotes. You've got your audio commands. I am very grateful. Truly, truly grateful. So, glad you're all here. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Put your faith in the light.
I am running out of tricks here. Who was that? Who knew? Who knew? I'm gonna have to bust out some like loot. Oh, I know. Who knew? 83.
Oh,
welcome to the
Jesus.
stream. The subtrain is real, and that's gonna of course call on one thing that has to be done here. My friends, remember again that you did this, not me. It's leaking on me.
Put your faith in the light.
Cataclysm now thinks you're just getting stupid. I'm out of tricks, Boom. I am officially out of tricks. I got nothing left.
You know, I could go get Chris.
I got nothing left.
Do
Cataclysm.
you need me to go get Chris? Is that what you need?
Hey, let me just fade back here for a minute. Man. Oh, what a great day to stream. Thank you, everybody. Everybody. All right, we're just going to do this traditional here. All right, I'm out of tricks. I've done every song I have. The love is insane. This is the way I do a heart. It's Illuminati confirmed.
Illuminati confirmed.
Thank you. Wow. Well, Boom, I'm glad I'm back on air. That little lady, a Hail Hydra.
Hail Hydra.
Oh, donation hype. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Let's read your message. Hey, just wanted to throw some money your way. Thank you for being a fantastic streamer. I am very entertained. Kircala. Thank you very much, Kircala. I am very grateful for your donation. As a full-time streamer, every donation is so appreciated. Every subscription, every follow, every tweet. Thank you very much, Kircala. I'll give you a heart back in return here. Sweet. And thank you again, Kircala, for the amazing donation. Very good.
Put your faith in the light.
Tigers and cats, and what the hell's going on here tonight? We have
Put your
another.
faith in the light.
Boom. I just got double subbed. I just got double subbed. It is a killing blow from both sides.
Holy, we gotta go full goth on this.
We might have to go full Sisters of Mercy here in a minute. Goon, welcome. There we go. Oh, you've done it.
Put your faith in the light.
I warned you. I warned you. Oh, welcome. I said if we get one more sub, we're going full Sisters of Mercy. We're going full Sisters of Mercy, Mother Trucker. You've done it. Welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for that subscription. Let's take a look here. Vickin, 52. No sweet chases. God, the sub train tonight is strong. Urban Struggle, welcome. Welcome. Fantastic name, welcome. Thank you for your sub. Let's get the Jawas out for Urban Struggle tonight. He told you to. I.O. fit me so much. Oh, welcome.
Hail Hydra.
Hail Hydra. Hail Hydra. Staggered range. Oh my God, I'm screwed.
Put your faith in the
Oh,
light.
sweet mother. We're pushing it. We have another sub in channel right now, and it looks like it's another friend of FitMe who is here, and that is insane. The sub train has not stopped. Balmiri is here. Welcome, Balmiri. Great to see you. Is it Willow? Wallow, not Willow.
Wallow. Wallow.
Tron is back. The sub train is
We've drifted. So there was some spatial drift.
Spatial. Okay. Yep, there it is.
Yeah, we'll have to kill the.
Yeah, it's real now. Lignoba. Double sub hype. The hype is real. All right, Poe Guardian, hello. Danger Zone. Did I hear Danger Zone?
You have permission.
Permission.
To bust the tower, sir. Yes.
Permission.
You are go.
Permission granted. We're going to remind you what we're doing tonight. Thank you, subscribers. The train is so very real. I've lost track. I'm going to catch up. Let's do the intro. No one do anything crazy. Here we go. Welcome to the Empire. Thank you so much for your subscription and your support. And that goes for all of the subs tonight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is a magical number. That is my favorite number. Goliathon, he's one of them. Wallow, Lignoba, and BasedLaRock, I believe.
BasedLaRock, I believe?
Yeah,
BasedLaRock?
BasedLaRock, thank you very much. Very grateful. That is high praise, my friend. Base, can I call you Base? That is high praise. Look, I don't know that this is the greatest stream. Dumbest? Definitely loudest, Boom. We're the loudest stream. We're loud. We might not be as loud as Zeke, but we're close. Like, Zeke's pretty loud.
Yeah.
I think we're right.
Yeah.
We're
like two steps. We're we're getting up there. You're definitely probably as loud as, say, the Eddie Monster.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
But Zeke is just a ball of hairy, sweaty, angry rage.
He's the king.
He's the king of rage. Yeah.
Yeah. We're but a shadow. A shadow. But we're very loud. We're very loud.
One day we shall march on the gates of Ziconia.
Yeah. If you say please, he's very good friends of Mr. Christopher Walken. Chris, are you there? I'm reaching out to you from beyond the grave. Chris, are you there? Chris.
I am here. I heard you having crazy stuff train. Congratulations and welcome, each and every one of you, to Watch TV.
Mr. Walken, I would like to point out here, if you are subbed to my channel, the WWTV Wiz emote, that right there, that is my gift to Boombody. I'm hosting his emote until he gets partnership. So if you've got your Beard Wizard hats, please get them out for Mr. Boombody.
Holy crap, that's a lot of beards.
That's a lot of beards, yeah.
That's a shit ton of beards.
That's beards. That's beard power. Look at the love for you, Boom. People, we love you.
That's so much love.
That's a lot.
I love all of you too. Y'all are wonderful. That's a lot of beard. Thank you all very much, and to the follows coming in. Thank you all.
Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. Boom's a great guy, and we want to get him partnered ASAP. Okay, so Fit Me, thank you for the raid. It's truly amazing. I will repay you.
Indeed, Fit Me.
I will repay you.
Oh
yeah. One day, Fit Me, you'll be minding your own. You're just minding your own. You're just going to be all by yourself, hanging out with your viewers, and you're going to look over the horizon, and you are going to see, my friend, you're going to just be minding your own business, playing games, maybe doing a little chat, hanging out with N Squared, and you're going to hear a sound. You're going to hear a sound first. It's going to sound like this. And you're going to look around and you're going to say, wait, what is that? Why am I hearing that? And then lo and behold, on the horizon, friend, you are going to see wave after wave of Imperial TIE Fighters. You are going to see wave after wave of Imperial TIE Fighters, and they are going to destroy your planet. Because behind them, there are Death Stars. Or, excuse me, Star Destroyers. And behind the Star Destroyers, there are Death Stars. 2 of them, in fact. So, that day will come. Just like that. All right, we're going to play. We're going to play. I can't wait to go watch Fit Me. I've never had a chance to watch it. I can't wait. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Erminger. Lone Scholar. Thank you. Fit Me. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tonight. Really do appreciate it. ButturedToast, let's be friends. Thank you, ButturedToast, for your sub today. I think Lone Scholar, yeah, I've already friended you. So thank you for the support here on the backside of the Empire. Did you hear, Boom?
What's her rank at right now?
She said, suck on that, Boombody.
Yeah, what's her rank at?
Oh, suck it, nerds! I don't care, my wife won. That's right. Let's talk about our amazing day today. Congratulations, wife. That's crazy. Well, we are getting her a computer, so let's see. Go to our dashboard here. Popsky and Fit Me. Thank you. The amazing raids tonight, and look at the subtrain. Fit Me. Butch, Lone Scholar, ButturedToast, Biggie, Zotbot, Goliathon. Look at this. Fitz Fisher. Who Knew, Cataclysmic, and Squared. Punky, Lathazak, Vicken, Urban Struggle, and Crystal Rain. Sweet mother. And Donation Train. Very awesome tonight. Let's see. Butch, Daniel, Butch, Vapor, Kircala, and White Wolf. Truly grateful. All right, we're going to check to see how we're looking.
Happiness is you.